Ito na yung bago na updated na world app. So, may bago na siyang mukha. Sa Tinder din is, ano na rin yung Tinder. So, gumagamit na rin siya ng World ID. Ayan. So, malalaman mo na kung bot or human yung gumagamit ng Tinder. Ito naman si Alex Blania.
Who is Alex Blania? Alex Blania is a German tech entrepreneur and CEO, best known for his work in digital identity and cryptocurrency-related technology. A businessman and former PSEX researcher from Germany. Born around 1994, he is the CEO and co-founder of Tools for Humanity, a company behind the Project World, or formerly WorldCoin. Hasberg focuses on creating a global digital identity system to prove that someone is real human, not a I or a bot. They use a device called the Orb that scans a person's eye or iris to verify identity. He co-founded the project with Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI. He has also been involved in AI and research, and more recently, in projects exploring connections between humans and computers. In short, Alex Blania is a young tech CEO working on futuristic ideas like global digital IDs and human verification in the age of AI.
Then, pag bubuksan mo itong World ID, makikita mo na dito yung World ID mo. Locally stored in your device. Then, pag pipindutin mo yan, makikita mo dito yung issuance date, kung kailan ka na-issuehan ng World ID or Digital ID. Ako is April 25, 2025. So, magwa 1 year na siya ngayong April 25. Okay, then proof human or proof of unique human. Prove you're a unique person without revealing your identity. Then orb image converted to a unique code, then permanently deleted. Then after mo magpa-iris scanning sa orb, so ma-convert daw siya sa unique code, then madidelete din siya sa data nila. And then face photo encrypted locally on your device, sabi dito. Then yung passport is makikita mo yung dito, nagpa-scan din ako ng passport. Then dito makita mo, ayan, buksan natin itong World ID. Half the internet might not be human. AI fakes faces and full conversation bots grab rewards and spots before you do. World ID is proof of human, one proof that you're a real unique person. It's anonymous. Apps only learn one thing, you're human. Each person can only verify once. Bots cannot get one, but you can. Okay, so ito yung pinipindot kapag magpa-verify ka na or nasa location ka ng herbs. Ayan. And then, makikita mo dito how to get verified. Kapag magpa-verified ka o an herb near you sa mga ibang lugar, maliban dito sa Pinas kasi ano na siya. Then the herb takes images of your face daw to verify. Then your data stays on your device. No? Sa device lang yun na i-store. Verified once, ready forever. Okay, forever na to pag nakapag-verified ka na. And then pinipindot lang yan kapag nasa herb location ka na. So sa Pinas is abuan tayo ngayon dito. So, pag nasa ibang bansa ka, try mo ito magpa-verify kapag gusto mo makapag-join dito sa World App or makapagkuha ng Digital ID. Then, what it unlocks? Fair queues for gaming tickets and jobs. Real connections and social and dating apps. Rewards and benefits limited to real people, no duplicates, no fake coins. The internet is better when you know who's real. Tama naman. Then, okay. Pindutin mo lang yan kapag gusto mo magpa-verify kapag nasa location ka na ng herb. documents, prove your age or nationality without sharing your full document. Sabi dito, your data stays encrypted on your device. So, sa device lang natin yun na store. Apps receive a simple yes or no, never your photo number or personal data. So, marami ng bago dito sa kanilang apps sa World App. Dito sa Pinas, kailangan na talaga natin gumamit ng VPN or yung APK na sinasabi nila para patuloy pa rin natin itong magamit. Okay? So, para sa mga hindi updated yung kanilang World App at hindi ma-open ang kanilang World App, so kailangan nyo talagang gumamit ng VPN or yung APK para ma-update nyo ang apps, then patuloy nyo pa rin itong magagamit. Kasi ang ikinasama lang ngayon ng WorldCoin ay makikita mo dito sa graph. Aakyat siya konti, then bababa. Okay? So, umabot siya ng 15.44. Yan yung mababa niya dyan. So, yan lang yung niya, masama. Kasi masyado siyang mababa sa ngayon. So, ang nakakatakot lang nito is mag-negative zero siya.